Like that apology.
Yeah.
She didn't mean to, he said she'd take it back.
Can you explain to us why you wanted him to say it out loud?
So I wanted him to face me to see if he really meant to try and kill me. But he apologized. Didn't mean to. I'm glad about the judge, what he said.
And did you feel as though he did actually mean that apology?
I hope he did. I don't know.
And you did make eye contact in there, right?
Yeah.
How did that feel?
Yeah, it felt okay. It's painful.
Mm-hmm.
What did you think about the 16-year sentence, Marlene?
Okay.
You're satisfied with it?
Yeah.
What's next for you, Marlene?
Waiting for my stick legs that I could walk on. All my prosthetic legs.
Prosthetics?
Yeah.
When did that start? That process start?
What
Have you been talking to doctors about that?
Yeah, they have my legs already.
Really?
Saskatoon.
This has been a very long court case. We've been sitting through this since 2014, and you have as well. And I just wanted to ask how it feels to finally have it all over.
Yeah, it feels good. I don't have to have bad dreams, I hope.
Have you had bad dreams?
Yeah, I had bad dreams.
So Marlene, Mr. Black said that he can't forgive himself. Can you forgive him?
Doing my best, because my mom told me to forgive people that do wrong. So I learned it from my mom. I think I could forgive him.
Now, you're saying you think you can forgive him, and like we heard in court, this has affected the whole community. What would your message to everyone here in PA be after him talking to court?
I'm not used to meeting a person like that did that to people. Like somebody wanted to kill somebody, and never met a person like that. So I don't know.
You said that you might be able to one day forgive him someday in the future.
One day, yeah.
But how do you feel about him right now?
Still hurt. It's been 3 years now. I'm still hurt. So I gotta depend on Patrick. My loved ones will take care of me. But I'm glad I have my arms.
You said you're getting prosthetics in the near future. What else are you going to be doing to try and move on from this?
Counseling for my anger, so I can forgive. Because I need help with that. Because I never met a person like that in my life until I met him.
You've been in the spotlight throughout this whole thing, really, since it first started. Are you going to be glad to maybe get a little less attention now?
Yeah, I'm happy. I won't be meeting anybody to talk about him, because it's kind of painful to talk about him.
It keeps getting brought up.
Talk about life. That I'm happy to be alive with my family, loved ones.
Now, we saw some people in court, and they're over there. Are those your family members?
Yeah, that's my niece. My niece was there with me.
Was it important to you to have your family here?
Yeah. I didn't know she was here. I was too busy crying.
Are you doing anything special today, now that it's all over?
We'll go have a cup of tea. Yep.
Maybe we can let her go have her tea.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you so much.